Do it again. Stay there after you do it. And like smile at her. Do it again. No, you're gonna pull it over. Stop. Okay. Do it again. Do it again. When you land and stay there and just look at her and smile. Oh my gosh!
What are you doing?
She just laughed. That's the first time she's done it. Do it again.
Another laugh.
Nope.
And there's laugh.
Do it again.
There laugh.
Do it again.
What smile?
Do it again.
I love it.
She does. Do it again.
This one is a...
That might have been a little bit scary. Just do the jump again.
That's scary.
Try again. Don't pinch her. Try not to be loud this time, okay? Just do a big jump and stop. She may not think it's funny anymore. Try again.
I don't think it's funny. What?
Of course, you would be the one to make her laugh first, Cooper. That's so funny. Okay, last time.